Tasha, are you injured?
What happened? What happened?
We're underway. Eggy Poon gets a nice start off down there, and they managed to bully Belgium across the line for an early set piece. And it starts here. We've just had confirmation that Olsen Thorne is injured. Nam to Sham, and it's been snaffled by Belgium, so set piece number 1, not so good. Belgium up to the 22. They're just a patient, steady team.
Hong Kong doing well with the quick taps. Let's keep this momentum going.
Here goes Eggy Poon. Chong Ga-Yan takes it to ground, and just not organised enough there at the breakdown, and Belgium earning not an easy penalty, but
Fortunately, just lying over the ball there.
just taking their time, as always. The Belgique. Carmen de Donda, number 2. Some confusion here as they try and break out. Poon's all over them. They need to keep them pinned down here, Hong Kong, and rattle them. Looking for a turnover. Nam busy on the ball. Well stolen. Cheng to Sham. Can they finish it? Eggy Poon in the corner. Hong Kong first on the board. That's better, Hong Kong.
And that was excellent pressure from Hong Kong, as you can maybe hear from our bench in front of us. Belgium didn't cope with that under pressure. They had nowhere to run. And Nam Garman just getting that hands on that ball in that ruck. Well played. It's an exciting start for Hong Kong.
Poon with the conversion, gets hold of it, but kicks it to the left. Flags stay down. It's Hong Kong 5. Belgium 0. They'll be very conscious of having to work the scoreboard, keep it ticking over. Poon gets us underway. It's about 2 metres too long. Christy Ching can't take the first up tackle. There's enough to slow her down though. Look at the snaffling work going on here. And another turnover. This time to Kwong Sao Yan. Good hustling. And another opportunity.
Great tackle work from the forwards, and Nam Garman getting her hands on the ball again.
Look how low the Hong Kong front row is. They know there's a push coming. Sham gets it away to Candy Ching. This time Poon goes for the kick. Chong Ga-Yan's after. Will she get the bounce? It pops up! Try number 2. The thumb goes up from the AR. And the bench goes mad. The crowd goes wild. Look at the smiles. It's much better when you're playing like that.
Excellent vision from Aggie there, seeing that there's space out wide and knowing Ga-Yan Chong is fast. Excellent try.
Smiles all round.
Ground looks to be a bit drier now that we've got the ball bouncing up after these little chips and grubbers.
That one away to the right from Poon. And Belgium haven't been out of their half yet. Hong Kong have kept them pinned down with some ferocious defence, good hustling at the breakdown. And Belgium been stunned by the start. Aggie Poon again. this one is a bit higher and a bit more contestable. And again, they've managed to force the error. So 3 kickoffs, 3 turnovers.
Belgium not knowing what to do with this Hong Kong defence. They're looking a bit frustrated.
Nam trying to get the timing right. All sorts of trickery going on there. Sham can't secure it. It's bobbling around. And again, referee Barrett Turon favouring Hong Kong. And here they come, wave after wave. Poon looks for an opening. Can't see it. Christy Cheng out to Nam. She's dangerously close to the sideline. Up to Cheng. Can she get the arms free? She does. Kwong takes it forward. Cheeky boot in there from Belgium. Sham again. Comes out to Candy Cheng. Here's Chong Ga-yan. Can she get the inside ball? Intercepted by skipper Lally. But again, it'll be another line out to Hong Kong. The pressure is immense.
It was good handling just until that last one. Can't give those risky 50-50 passes. But Hong Kong did well to get that line out.
Got to get this line out right. Belgium desperate to get their hands on the ball. Sham levitates and can't take it. Belgium are getting ball, but it's always messy, and this time deciding they've got to get out of there. And so they do so, but only temporarily. They just haven't had any ball or territory. In Hong Kong, you'd think, need to nail another try here to put a bit more breathing room in. Again, the line out's just not going for Hong Kong. Here come Belgium now. Time up on the clock. There's a hooter. They'll be frustrated, Belgium. Cecile Blondel, she's been a star. She just can't get away. Kwong with the harassing tackle without the ball, though. Another attempt after the hooter for Belgium now.
Belgium just thinking about what they're going to do. They've got one last play in this half.
Dodonda gives it to the straight running skipper. Poon can't pick it up and she's knocked it on, and that'll be the half. A good half to Hong Kong.
Unlucky.
They've absolutely dominated Belgium and they lead 10-0. And they'll go into the second half with all the momentum. So 10-0. De Hassler gets us underway.
Belgium coming up hot.
Well taken by Ivy Kwong. They give it some air. This is a confident looking Hong Kong side now. Look at the footwork. A wee little bit of eye action going there. Poon comes over the top, rescues it. Candy Cheng swings it away. Shamwai Sum, she's going to have to get support quickly. They're getting busy on her, Belgium, and quite fortunate there, Hong Kong, to win that penalty. Christy Cheng says, let's go quick. Gives it to Candy Cheng. It's rolled forward, the breakdown. Belgium now, they have the ball in Hong Kong's half, literally for the first time.
Great hustle from Hong Kong there, getting that ball back. Belgium's just trying to disrupt them in the breakdown, but not getting there in time.
Christy Cheng, she's been around for 100 years in the 7 setup. Such a stalwart, steadying influence on the squad. Here goes Aggie! Can she beat the last man? Yes, she can. Takes her on the outside. Mark Hennick's not going to catch her. And she brings it round marginally, and that's what we've been wanting from Maggie Poon. Finally gets the legs open and stretches away.
Great burst of speed from Aggie there. You can hear the bench calling, have a go, and she did.
So that's 5 more points in the right direction. Can Poon nail one of these conversions? No, she can't. 6 points being left out on the park. Poon comes off. She's done for the day. Colleen Chosfold is on. She's the one to restart it. Emily Sieur is on. And this time Belgium take it on the fly. Pien sets off on her way. Over halfway to the 22. And she's going to go all the way, and that's a great return from Belgium through Pien. And that's put a big dent in the points difference. Well done, Belgium.
Just took that smoothly and pumped those legs straight. Hong Kong defense just ran past her, unfortunately. A great fend off the sweeper, let her in.
Sitska Haslier with the attempted conversion. She's also a little off target, so 4 tries, no conversions. A 10-point buffer to Hong Kong.
Belgium look for a contestable kick now. They need this ball back if they're going to retain their momentum.
A hush comes over this crowd. That's a good restart. Nam gets up, not the tallest player on the pitch, but does manage to bat it back. It's been towed through by Emily Mush, and luckily for Hong Kong, that's rolled over into the dead ball area, which means we come all the way back. No, just to the 22. Critical moment on the halfway. Belgium coming back into this game now. That's good eyes up decision making there from Caitlin Cool. Has a look, decides to come skirting around the side. Here goes Blondiau. Emily Much puts the fend in on Chong and gets taken over the line, but it's been knocked out by Hong Kong, so more pressure for Hong Kong here.
Great tackle by Chong for Hong Kong. Unfortunately, just losing that pressure in defense again. Hopefully Hong Kong can get it back and fire up that gas stations again.
Belgian line out about 18 metres from Hong Kong's line. Still 10 points adrift. They'll want to take this game to take 3 wins. Here come Belgium. Blondiau. Poon's back on. Chong Ka-Yan runs her down. And that's going to be a penalty. You'd suspect that ball wasn't out. Belgium now with the momentum. Lally, the skipper, looking for a runner. Gives it to Much, and on the outside is Evelyn Rosier. She's right on the line there, and so is the assistant ref, and so is Amy Barrett, on the referee, to award the try. Belgium haven't panicked, and this is their half so far.
Fortunately, scramble defense not quite enough there. Belgium did well to exploit the wings there. Running forward, just keeping calm in their attacking phases.
The kick's no good, so Belgium 10, Hong Kong 15. This is all about the win now. Coming into the last minute of this match. Adrian Garvey is on for Hong Kong. Can't take that one in. Sieur gets the engine running. Belgium determined to end day one with 3 out of 3 in Pool B. Hong Kong just hanging on for dear life to stay in this tournament. A weaving mazy run. Good defence from Chong. And Cheng diving in there at the ball. Time is up on the clock. Hong Kong desperately trying to hold on here. There's the hooter. It's the last play. Hong Kong, the bench, are up on their feet, urging their teammates to hold on, as is the rest of this audience here in Hong Kong.
Belgium making substitute.
Cool swings it away. Belgium with the last roll of the dice. Blondiau to Mush. Hong Kong are doubling up in the tackles, and it's rolled across the sideline. Hong Kong have beaten Belgium, and the crowd is happy. Mrs. Olsen-Thorne's happy. Chris Garvey's happy. And at last a victory to Hong Kong in their final match of the day, and now only time will tell if they'll be able to go through and qualify as one of the next best qualifiers. And based on the numbers, Rosie, it doesn't look good probably.
Unfortunately, that might not be enough, but that was a great last effort to keep that win under Hong Kong's belt. And Belgium has lost for the first time today, and Hong Kong has won for the first time. Good game from